Hi children, today we are discussing about predecessor and successor. Predecessor is nothing but before numbers and successor is nothing but after numbers. Already we have learnt in previous class. Yes, we will write predecessor and successor numbers. Predecessor is nothing but before numbers. Before numbers means what? Before numbers means previous numbers or backward numbers. Suppose let us see numbers. Before 2 we have 1. Very good. What is the previous number of 2? 1. Before 5. What is the previous number of 5? 4. Yes. After 4 only 5 comes. Okay. So write 4. What is the before number of 5? 4. Before 26. 25. Very good. Okay. These are nothing but before numbers. Which comes previous numbers are called before numbers. Now come to after numbers. That is nothing but successor. After numbers. After numbers means what? Suppose I am writing numbers here 3. After 3, yes, 4. After 3, we will get 4. After 7 we have which numbers? 8. Okay. After 8, which numbers comes? 9, 10 and 11. Okay. 29. After 29, 30. Very good. Okay. This is the way to write after numbers. And now tell me 2. Before 2, which number will get? 1. Yes. And what is the successor of 2? Very good. 3. Okay. Predecessor is 1. 2 predecessor is 1 and successor is 3. Now look here. 4 successor. What is the after number of 4? 5. Very good. And before number of 4 is what? 3. Okay. Now look here. Before 2 is 1. After 2 is 3. Now what is this? 2 is in between 1 and 3. So this middle number is called between numbers. Between. Okay. Between 3 and 5 we have which number here? 4. This is the between number of 3 and 5. 4 is the between number of 3 and 5. Between 15 and 17 will get which number? 16. Very good. We will write some more numbers and we will write before, after numbers and between numbers. That is nothing but predecessor and successor. Just now we have discussed predecessor and successor and between. So we will write some more examples. Okay. Write the numeral which comes just before. Okay, just before. I have just said what is the before? Before means previous. So we have to write previous numbers. Before, now you are studying which class? Second class, right? So before second class you have studied which class? Yes, first class. So second before you have studied first class, right? Before first you have studied which class? UKG. Yes. Before UKG, LKG. Before LKG, nursery. Right? Nursery, LKG, UKG, first, second. Like that we will write numbers. Okay. After means what? After second class, which class you will go to? Yes, third class. You will go to third class. That is means successor. Predecessor means previous. So we will write some examples. Okay. I have written questions. Before 60 we have what? Before 60? Yes, 59. After 59 only 60 comes. Okay, next before 80. After which number 80 comes? Yes, 79. 79 after only 80 comes. So before 80 is 79. Before 41. Very good, 40. And before 62. Predecessor of 62. 61. Predecessor of 100. Which number after 100 comes? Yes, after 99 only 100 comes. So the predecessor of 100 is 99. And will you do this one? Before 65. Just write one before question. Okay. Next, write the numeral which comes just after. After means successor. After nursery LKG, LKG after UKG, UKG after first class after second class, second after third class. Okay, like that after numbers comes. See here, come to the numbers after 39. After 39, yes, 40. After 60, 61. Very good. After 73, 74. After 85. Successor of 85 is what? Very good. 86. Can you try these two? Okay. Let us write between numbers. Write the numeral which comes in between. Okay, in between numbers. That is nothing but after numbers comes here, before numbers also comes. After 69, 70. Or else before 71 is 70. In between 69 71 will have 70. Okay, now 20 and 22. In between which number comes? 21. Okay. Now tell me 41 and 43. What is the between number here? 1, 41, 42, 43. So 42 comes. After 41, 42. Before 43 is 42. Okay. Now come to here 78. After which number comes? Or before 80. Which number comes? That is nothing but 79. 78, 79, 80. This is the between number of 78 and 80. Now tell me 34 and 36. What is the between number here? Yes, 35. Okay. And the see last one 18. In between 18 and 20. After 18 which number comes after 18? 90. Or else before 90 which number comes? Before, that is previous number, that is nothing but 19. So 18 and 20. In between this 18 and 20 is 19. Okay. This is about between numbers. Hope you understand the class. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe.